Hi friends, hope you are all super good and doing well. So this is Ovia from Sai CA Coaching Center before you. So before I start to tell what I wanted to tell today, let me first say a few points about myself. So I am a CA final student at present who is undergoing articleship. I cleared my group 2 in this November 2020 exam and I will be appearing for group 1 in May 21 examination. So, rewinding myself back to about 2015, I passed out as an alumni of Zion Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Salayur. So, after that, my dream was to do CA. So, I enrolled in Sai CA Coaching Center for my CA CPT coaching. So, this CA CPT is the equivalent of the foundation examination we have at present for new syllabus. So, classes went on for about 1.5 months. After some examinations and preparations, I appeared for my CPT examination in June 2015 and I cleared it in the first attempt by securing 127 marks. And you can find my mark sheet on the screen. So, then I decided to enroll in a regular college since I do not wanted to miss out on the college life. So, I enrolled for regular BCom morning batch in Madras Christian College, Tambaram. Then I enrolled for Sai CA Coaching Center also for my intermediate preparations. So, I used to attend my classes from morning 6 to 8 o'clock for CA Intermediate. Yes, you heard it right. I used to attend classes for 2 hours in the morning for CA Intermediate examination. And then I used to go to my college from 8:30 to 1:30, which was the batch timing. And evening I used to devote my time for my inter preparations and college preparation as required. So, I appeared in my Group 2 Intermediate examination in November 2016 and let me tell you that out of the 3 papers we had in Group 2 in old syllabus, 2 of the examinations clashed with my college timings. That is, morning I had college examination and afternoon I had CA Intermediate examination. So, I used to attend my college examination in the morning and then in the afternoon I used to attend the CA Intermediate examination. And I cleared Group 2 in the November 16 exam with 154 marks. It included ITSM, that is Information Technology and Strategic Management exemption of 62 marks and about 52 in auditing. And you can find my mark sheet on the screen. After that, I was preparing simultaneously for my Group 1 and I appeared in May 2017 for Group 1. And as you would have it, similarly, I had 3 examinations clashing with my college examination. So, except costing exam, the other 3 exams clashed with my college exam in the morning. So, I used to take up college examination in the morning in Tambaram and I used to go to Kodambakkam for my CA Intermediate examination. And yes, I cleared in May 2017 with 251 marks in Group 1. It includes about 80 marks in costing and 73 in law, that is business law, ethics and communication. And you can find my mark sheet on the screen. So, then after my college got completed in 2018, I joined for articleship and I am presently undergoing articleship training. So, now to sum up, if you ask me what made all the difference, I would say that it was all the combined effort from my side and the great and able assistance and guidance I received from Sai CA Coaching Center. So, some of your doubts will be how you manage with just 2 hours of coaching when there are institutions which offer about 10 hours of coaching. So, what makes the difference? So, here I am in this video to tell you what made the difference. So, first I would like to state the facts which I like the best about Sai CA Coaching Center. So, the first point is the individual and customized attention you would receive in the class. And the second thing will be your doubts will be clarified no matter the nth time you ask the same doubt. And the third thing I like is the way the concepts are explained. So, this is how the classroom or the way of approaching will be. First, in the class of 2 hours, you will be explained the particular chapter in the way that you need to understand the chapter. That is, the concept or the essence of the chapter will be explained to you, and it will be explained with the help of some day-to-day examples which are familiar to you, or with the help of some story or some anecdotes which will make you understand the concept easily. This is the best thing about this institute, because even today I am able to remember some examples to state. For example, the example sir gave me for VPN in ITSM, or maybe variance analysis in costing, it still remains in my mind because of the way the things were explained in the class. So after 2 hours of class, as I said, I used to go to college. Then after the entire day, after afternoon, I had for my preparations. So whatever was taught in the class, I used to prepare in the evening. I was an ardent follower of the principle of completing the syllabus that was taught on a particular day, that day itself. This was my habit from my school. So I was very happy when this institute suggested the same thing. So after my classes, whatever was taught in the class, I used to prepare for that in the evening, and used to go to class the next day with my doubts. And I really need to thank sir and madam for the patience they had in order to explain my doubts. I also remember instances where sir explained like 5 to 6 times the same concept, and used to explain in different ways and made me understand a particular concept. So this is how classes would proceed. You need to understand the concept in the class, and then you need to spend time with yourself, and you need to understand what was being taught in the class and spend a lot of time in your preparation. So yes, the difference between the 2 hours and the 10 hours, which many institutes are following, will be made by your preparation at home. That is, whatever was taught in 2 hours will be prepared by you in the whole of the day, and then you are going to approach with your doubts, and it will be clarified. So this was going on for my inter classes, and the syllabus was completed well ahead of the exams, and which was another thing I am grateful for even today when I see some of my colleagues or peers struggling without completing their syllabus till the neck of the examination. By proper planning, classes will be completed much ahead of your examination, so that you will have ample time to analyze and write full syllabus tests, and then you can prepare yourself for the examination. This is important because when you face a situation like I face, where you have 2 exams to attend, you will be able to attend the exam calmly if you have already prepared and written some tests, some full syllabus tests, which will help you in your examination in a stressful situation. So coming to tests will be conducted on a regular basis, like chapter wise test, and then like maybe 50% of the syllabus, and then your full syllabus test will be conducted. And self-evaluation will be insisted for these tests, which help me to understand my mistakes. And then evaluation by sir used to play a very important role, because when he is going to just mention your mistake with a particular remark, that remark always stays in your mind as to where you went wrong, so that you never make that mistake again in the examination or anywhere. So this is all about the test pattern that follows. So if you ask me as a student what are the things I need to do, first thing, your attention in the class. All that is going to matter is the quality of time you spend in the class and not the quantity of time. So ensure that for the 2 hours you are going to spend in class, you give your full attention and focus in the class. Secondly, never hesitate to ask your doubts. If you have a doubt, please stop sir or madam then and there and get your doubts classified and clarified, so that you don't carry your doubts back home. Thirdly, ensure that you prepare whatever is being taught that day itself and come back with doubts. I also remember instances where sir refused to move on to the next chapter when we did not complete the particular chapter what was assigned on the particular day. So this kind of studies, or this kind of an approach study, will motivate you in order to adhere to the particular specified time limit. So as a student, you need to do these 3 things first, and fourth thing will be, your sincerity towards your examination. Take the tests or exams conducted seriously, and then analyze whatever mistakes you have made so that you don't repeat the same in the examination. So this is all I would like to state about how Sai CA Coaching Center helped me reach the stage I am here now. And their guidance not only stopped till my intermediate, because the concepts I learned in intermediate still stay strong to help me in my CA final preparation. And that kind of self-dedication and self-study, that is the habit of self-study which I inculcated right from inter, is helping me for my CA final also, where I am able to do some chapters or some subjects with my self-study preparation for CA final also, and I am able to just manage with video lectures, recorded video lectures for my CA final. This is possible because I was trained in inter by Sai CA Coaching Center in order to prepare then and there whatever is being taught, and it motivated me to sit and prepare for hours together and clarify my doubts immediately. So before signing off, I would like to assure you friends, I would like to assure you again that if you are ready to work hard, if you are ready to put in your full efforts, if you are ready to give your full concentration and dedication, then yes, with 2 hours of intermediate classes, you can easily clear CA intermediate. This is all I would like to suggest you. So if you are ready for whatever I have told, then without a second thought, please go ahead and enroll yourself for Sai CA Coaching Center. So finally, before signing off, a huge thank you to Sai CA Coaching Center for who I am today, and hope those who are seeing this, you are going to get the same benefit which I got from Sai CA Coaching Center. Thank you sir and madam. So thank you, bye.